Bar hanging is an excellent exercise with a positive effect on the spine, while also developing grip and arm strength. In this video, I'll share what happens to your body if you hang for at least 2 minutes daily. So watch till the end, it'll be interesting. Let's go. We spend much of our lives standing or sitting, which gradually compresses the intervertebral discs, causing them to lose their cushioning properties. This adversely impacts spinal health and overall quality of life. However, you can avoid such issues by regularly performing exercises on the horizontal bar. Hanging on the bar is particularly effective in this regard, helping to stretch the spine and counteract the effects of a sedentary lifestyle. This exercise is part of physiotherapy routines for rehabilitating spine injuries and improving back health. Hanging on the bar also enhances flexibility, strength, and joint health in the shoulders. It promotes better joint mobility, reduces muscle tension, and benefits everyday activities and strength fitness. Exercises like bench presses and push-ups become easier, safer, and more effective when combined with bar hanging. Due to gravity, our height gradually reduces with age. Bar hanging not only prevents such changes, but can even help increase height by a few centimeters. Strength training is essential for muscle building, but often compresses the spine through exercises like squats, presses, and deadlifts, which can lead to protrusions, hernias, and chronic pain. Regular bar hanging alleviates this compression, making it an essential practice for maintaining spinal health. To perform this back strengthening exercise correctly, follow these steps. 1. Hang on the bar with your arms slightly wider than shoulder width apart. 2. Keep your legs straight or slightly bent at the knees. 3. Relax your entire body, especially the back muscles. 4. Take calm inhales and exhales. 5. Tilt your head forward, touching your chin to your chest to stretch the upper and middle back muscles. 6. Do gentle swings back and forth to enhance muscle stretching. 7. If possible, ask someone to gently pull you down. Aim to stay in the hanging position as long as you can, targeting a total of 30 minutes weekly. To address muscle imbalances in the arms and back, try hanging on one arm while placing the other on your waist, switching sides every 30 seconds. The horizontal bar is a versatile piece of equipment for more than just hanging or pull-ups. It's also great for working out your abs. Here's how. 1. Hang on the bar with hands spaced comfortably apart. 2. Slowly raise your straight legs to a horizontal position. If this is too challenging, lift them to a height comfortable for you without bending your knees. 3. Hold the position briefly, then lower your legs slowly without swinging. 4. Experiment with variations based on your fitness level. Though bar hanging seems simple, common mistakes can hinder its effectiveness. Bent arms. Keeping arms straight ensures maximum spinal stretch, which bent arms prevent. Tense back muscles. Relaxing the upper body is crucial as tension in the back muscles reduces the exercise's benefits. Finally, check out more videos on this channel, links are on the screen. See you soon.